UK health and safety for sure. So, right now we are in the Landmark building. It's a new day in Ho Chi Minh and we are off to the cinema. The first time going to the cinema in another country ever. I think first time covers that down, don't say ever. We're going to see Crime 101 with Chris Hemsworth. Sounds like a thriller, interesting. Let's enter the CGV and get a ticket. So, just bought the tickets, as you can see. 2 tickets, £8.04. You might not even get 1 ticket for that. Probably definitely won't in the UK, so pretty good Vietnam. What are we doing?
We are taking pastries.
Because
we are in really good shape.
Of course.
We need to, yes.
In the
more.
local supermarket.
Yeah.
Thank you, спасибо.
Yes, and also what do we need to take?
Coffee.
Coffee, yes, in Starbucks.
Starbies. Okay, I just finished in Starbucks, nearly finished my old frappuccino. You had a cappuccino. I was going to have a cappuccino, then I realised I'm going to be sitting in a cinema for 2 hours and go wanting to run 10 miles, so I thought a little sweet one would do. Had some nice pastries, they've been devoured, of course, and now it's time for the film, so let's go! Okay, film finished, Crime 101. Good film, I really films don't normally keep me very entertained, but that was nice and yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it, so I definitely recommend it for sure. Unique coffee for coffee and some laptop work. Let's have ya. Yesterday I come here, no milk for cappuccino, so couldn't have it. Don't take cold near either, but let's give it a whirl. Now this is something you don't see very much in Vietnam or Ho Chi Minh. I'm not sure if you can even see it on the camera, but it's raining quite a lot. Good thing we're inside in the cafe and not wet. I've got football tonight again, so hopefully it will stop before then.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully.
Oh yeah.
But if not, it will slip and slide footy. Let's do it. But cool. Oh my god, you hear it? He's literally scraping the water away with a little brush thing. Wow. Unusual sights of Vietnam. Time for the toilet. I won't show you that, I'll spare you that. Look at the state of this. What happened? Vietnam. Today is a wet day, but you know, makes a bit of a change to the normal scene, I guess. But now I'm walking to get some food in the rain. So let's get there. Okay, so tried to get some egg fried rice from this little local place I like, but they said they don't have any. Went to another place, they don't have any, so I just went to the local Circle K little corner shop, a beef sandwich and a bao bun with pork. Just not an ideal dinner before football, but it will do. Film up a bit, play football later, hopefully get some food later as well. So, bit of telly, bit of food, and yeah, sure a bit. Okay, so we are back at the Vietnamese football pitch from a couple of days ago for another night of football. Filmed football before, probably won't film it now. If I do, you'll see it in the next video. But let's play some football. Looking forward to it. Okay, football finished. It was a 7-a-side game. We played 90 minutes, 45 each half. First time I played 90 minutes in about nearly 2 years. But I really enjoyed it, felt fit, felt strong. And yeah, looking forward to playing more football again. But for now, it's time to get home, rest, and see what tomorrow brings. So, good night. What's all that about then? Just showing the lift. Boxes in here. But anyway, it's a new day in Ho Chi Minh. Last day in Ho Chi Minh.
Oh yeah.
If you can guess where I'm going tomorrow in the comments, then I'll personally give you 2 black Americano, double cup of cubes of ice, 93.94, don't burn the bean. Bash. Waiting for some coffee now. The old coffee house in Saigon, I recommend it. Also waiting for some food, arriving by 12:39. We'll show you what we got. And I've got 2 drinks on the way, she got 1. And yeah, let's have it. So cappuccino consumed. Also got a butterscotch coffee, which is grim. Sernike Russian food. Oh, it's all Russian food, what am I talking about? And then we have also chicken cutlet. Chicken?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
There are Oreska nuts, caramel nuts, apple
yeah.
pancakes.
Yeah.
Bash! Let's tuck in. Big knife, cut this up. Absolute feast. We've got buckwheat and chicken. Interesting. I'll see how much of this we like. Oh, I know I like some of it. Food was fantastic. I think we're still a bit of a chill day today, but we've got some things planned for the evening, so I'm sure we'll see you later in the afternoon and we'll let you know what is going to happen. So, see you soon. So I've gone for a little stroll in the back streets of Ho Chi Minh in the afternoon. Got myself a little caramel latte. Thought I'd try it for the first time. You've got to try these things to work out if you like them or not. Spoiler, I don't like it. Oh, Duffy dog. Oh my god, it's massive. Can't speak. mental around here. But yeah, don't like the caramel latte. Gone for a little stroll. Gonna go to the shop, pick up some water and stuff. And then we're off to another boxing session in a minute. Rocking the old Southend Combat Academy. Big shout out to anybody watching. But yeah, middle of nowhere, enjoying the last day in Ho Chi Minh. Okay, once again, it's time for a boxing session. Let's get another training in. It will be the 6th day this week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday running, Tuesday boxing, Wednesday football, Thursday boxing, Friday football, Saturday boxing. I'm liking this routine, exercise, feeling good. Let's get the session done. We had a chat, great people. Come on, move on, y'all. Bước bên trái luôn. Rồi, body sáu luôn. Rồi cong luôn. Break. Hết chưa? Time out. Okay, boxing session done. A great session. Good bit of training, good bit of sparring, and now it doesn't stop. We are in the posh part of town. There is a Lamborghini place over there. We walk past the Hilton. Big hotel here. We are by the riverside because we are off for a Saigon riverside tour. I think it lasts about an hour, see a few sights, and then going for a delicious curry.
Oh yeah.
Abash. So we have arrived on the boat. Guide's about to start talking.
Hello.
Got the old, oh, hello mate. Hello brother.
Okay. Hello everyone. Hello. Yeah, how are you today?
Very well.
Good, huh?
It wouldn't be a boat tour if we didn't have a little draft beer for us, so cheers. Pretty cool, eh? Okay, so we're coming towards the end of the Saigon River tour, and it's been good. Seen a few landmarks, a few beverages, and yeah. And we had a nice little conversation with the tour guide. He had a very interesting story, this guy, about his life in Vietnam and the salaries and stuff. So yeah, would recommend it. This river tour was only £9 per person and get your guide. So there are options for like 40 quid for like buffet and stuff, but it's not really needed. So we'll have a little tour here and then go for a bit of food, and yeah, perfecto super. So see you in a bit. Curry house are good. Rice, naan, butter chicken, beer. Abash. Okay, evening time, river done, Indian done. Back at the cafe apartments from a couple of days ago. Got a little frozen cookie drink. And yeah, have a little walk, exploring. Last night in Ho Chi Minh. It's good experience being back here. And yeah. See you in the future, Ho Chi Minh. But now, on to you'll find out. Over and out, Ho Chi Minh. So I thought that was the end of the video, but because I'm in Vietnam and there's many side quests, we've now come to some sort of weird rainbow slide with donuts. And for £2, you have unlimited slides down here, which I'm sure is completely safe and complies with all UK health and safety standards. Don't worry. All right, let's have a look.
It's ready also.
Oh hey. Oh no. Wow. That's pretty cool. Again? Come on. Em lên đây với em. Thank you.
Wow.
Crash, mate. Yeah, UK health and safety for sure.